Okay, so gentlemen, question 3. This is where you guys want the help, so you can be quiet, please, and listen, those that want to. There is the little picture. Okay, you're trying to find, angle theta is increasing at a rate of 1/15 radians per second. Calculate the rate at which x is increasing when theta is pi over 6. All right, so it's related rates of change. What are we asked to find? What are we trying to find? The rate at which so we're trying to find dx by with respect to time. So that's what we're trying to find. Now, if that's what I'm trying to find, my formula suggests I'm going to be finding dx by d something and something by dt, because that's what I'm going to need. Those two there are just there. Okay. So what I have is theta. I'm given d theta by dt just in here. So that's going to be my third variable. There is my chain rule. Happy with that? Okay, so I know dx by dt. Do I know d theta by dt? Yes. That's the 1/15th, eh? So all I need to do now is find this expression just here. Okay? That is dx by d theta. I need to find dx by d theta. To do that, I need to find what x is in relation to theta. So I need to find an expression that relates x and theta. Now, that comes from the right angle triangle that's drawn, which is basic trigonometry. Yeah, so if that's my angle, that's my opposite, that's my adjacent, I'm using tan. So x, so I know the tan of theta is my opposite, x divided by my adjacent, which is 24. So there's my formula. Now rearrange that. X is 24 tan theta. 24 times tan theta.
Yeah, so it wasn't all mesh.
Are we happy with that?
Yeah. Sadly it was.
So now what do? What do I do now?
Times them together.
No.
Put pi over 6 in there.
No. What do I do now? Differentiate, because what do I actually want? I actually want this, don't I? This is my expression. Differentiate x with respect to theta. Differentiate tan theta. What do I get when I differentiate tan theta?
I got you. Well, hold up.
6 squared. So that's 24 6 squared theta. Okay? So over here now, this part is actually 24 sec squared theta times 1/15. Now that can simplify because 3 goes into 15 and 24, does it not?
Yes, it does.
Okay, so that's going to be 8 sec squared theta over 5. Now when theta is pi over 6, what is dx by dt? It is 8 sec pi over 6 squared all over 5. You chuck that into your calculator, you should get an answer. How do you chuck sec into your calculator?
1 over cos.
Yeah, so you find cos pi over 6, find the inverse, square it,
Professional about it.
divide by 5 times by 8, you're away laughing. Okay? So just making sure you guys can put that into your calculator. So sec is 1 over cos. So you make sure that your calculator's in radians first. Mine is, so it's all good. So you go cos of pi over 6. Get that answer. So that's cos pi over 6. To get sec, you divide 1 divided by my answer. That'll give me sec. I square that, get me sec squared. And then I divide that by 5 and times it by 8. or times by 8 and divide by 5. What do you get? And you get 2.13 recurring. Okay. Happy with that? Which apparently is the answer. Yeah?
Yeah.
Happy?
You too.